So I don't have any plan for today. The weather is still really bad, cold. It already rained and it's going to keep raining. So yeah, today I'm just going to take it easy. So I'm just going to tell you a bit what you see around me. That's a Euromast. There's a viewing point, you can see it there moving. There's a restaurant, and with good weather conditions you can rappel. So basically you can descend with a rope. And there you see the little sea. It's some new buildings that they made. That's why they look so new. They resemble a bit to New York. So yeah, I'm not going to do much today. I'm just going to get a coffee and do some reading. They look really nice inside. I guess if you lived in New York, you could tell me if they are actually that similar. I think they are. So in case you're wondering, I'm reading all the Harry Potter books again. I'm reading the second one, The Chamber of Secrets. I think it's been almost 15 years since I read the last one. So it's going to be a good reminder. Especially since I read today that they are making a TV show that's scheduled to be released in 2025. I don't know what to expect from it. I think Warner Bros. And HBO are going to produce it. So they can make one of the greatest TV shows of all times, or they can make a complete mess. By the way, that thing that you see there is a museum. It's an art museum. I won't even try to pronounce the name. So you will see it written here above. I think they opened last year. I haven't visited it yet. So yeah, I still have to do that. That's the new building, and this is the old building. Hello, can I get a cappuccino, please?
Yes. What size would you like it to
A small one.
be? Small. You got small cappuccino.
Thank you. So I read a couple chapters. 14 more pages and I will be done with it. So yeah, I think I'm going to call it a day.